Angels Airport information, Foxtrot 2353 Zulu, wind 34010, visibility 10, 2,900 scattered, ceiling 5,500 broken, temperature 140.6, altimeter 3029er, RNAV approach in use, arriving and departing, runway 34 left and runway 34 right. Notice the airmen, have information for Western Washington available on flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact, you have Foxtrot.
Okay, we're heading over to Electric City for some camping. Main tower, Diamond Sierra 243 Delta Sierra 134 right, Foxtrot 5 ready for eastbound.
Runway 3 Delta Sierra, runway 34 right, clear for takeoff at the shoreline, eastbound approved.
Diamond 3 Delta Sierra, clear for takeoff 34 right, eastbound to the shoreline.
Main tower, Pilatus 473 Papa Charlie on the visual 34 left.
Pilatus 473 Papa Charlie, main tower, runway 34 left, cleared to land.
To land, 34 left, 3 Papa Charlie.
Here we go. Airspeed's almost there. There we go.
The support Tango Mike, you have the Cessna Henty right on final on site.
Affirmative, traffic in sight, Fort Tango Mike.
The support Tango Mike, thank you, runway 34 right, clear for the option.
34 right, clear for the option, Fort Tango Mike.
What a great pilot lounge. Look at this. Microwave, heated, water cooler, fridge with snacks on the honor system. Look at that. Candy, soda, water. That was great.
Grand Coulee traffic, Diamond 3 Del Sierra is departing runway 4. Left downwind departure to the west. Grand Coulee.
Grand Coulee traffic, Southern 17 Golf is back taxi on runway 4 for takeoff.